So we decided on this cruise to treat yourself. Had a January cruise we had to cancel, so we had a lot of credit to use, and as you can see, we are in a different looking hallway. This is the concierge level of Disney Cruise Line on the Dream. We are in room 11,006, and wait till you see this room. It is a handicap accessible, so that's why this door opens on its own. First of all, the carpet is a lot different. A lot different tones in here. Hello. Door closing on its own. So we got a little wind tunnel since we have the door open. When you first walk in, have the first bathroom here. First full bath. And in concierge, you get the upgraded Elemis bath products. And then you have a full stand-up shower and rain shower. And inside here, they have the standard H2O products. And of course, the towels that I love. Got a husband over there.
Hello.
With a new job, which is why we are celebrating on this cruise. Get a giant closet here. And then on the other side, we have a walk-in closet. How many times on a cruise ship do you have an actual walk-in closet?
Wait, let's do the test. Is it truly walk-in?
Is it truly walk-in? Can you do it?
Walk. Walk. I'm in.
He's in.
I walked in.
And it has motion lights. Did not know that.
It is definitely a walk-in closet. Pass the test.
And right behind you, you got some robes that we can use for the trip. Oh, they even have a little kid robe if you have a little kid with you. That's adorable. And slippers, little kits for shoes and such, and your life jackets. And then over here, we have a little desk area, bar sets, pull-down bed if you had other people in the room, and then a dining area. We've heard you can get your main dining room food in here. We may or may not do that because we just love going to the dining rooms and interacting with the staff, but maybe we'll have some room service here. And then a nice little living area. This bed pulls out too, because I think these rooms sleep 5. And then you got the window into the main bedroom. We'll check that out in a second. This might be the best part, is this giant balcony. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at that. A little gloomy here today because we are having a cold front. But hey, any day on a cruise ship is better than a day not on a cruise ship. I will take it. And then check out the bedroom. They actually have doors so you can slide them and close them off if you did have other people staying with you. But the full standard bed. The different thing in here is they actually have drawers underneath to store stuff in, unlike the other rooms that have open where you can store your luggage. But since you have a walk-in closet, you can put your luggage in there. And then on this side, you have another TV right here in front of you. And then right here, these doors close as well to close this all off. I'm assuming, oh yeah, and then this has a curtain, so you can close that off as well if you don't want to get woken up by the neighbors who are staying with you. And then the last thing, since this is an accessible room, we didn't get a tub. I was kind of hoping for a tub in here, but hey, you know, beggars can't be choosers. I'll take what I can get. So, giant bathroom. You can watch some Disney movies while you shower. Double vanity. And then you got the accessible shower here. Yeah, I mean, I guess if I filled up with enough water, I can call it a bath, right? I would not do that. Don't flood a cruise ship. Yeah, pretty cool. And then in here again, you got the H2O stuff up here. I've heard these little sponges are amazing, so I might have to request another one of those to go. And then the Elemis stuff. How is your wife? She's great, because she's in a 1-bedroom. Yeah. And then the standard gifts that they keep giving. Maybe one day they'll switch out this darn backpack for something else, but here we are. So yeah. Congrats to this guy.
Thank you.
Well deserved.
I love you.
I love you.